So now let's see how we can work around with the zoom option inside of SketchUp. So over here, what I'm going to do now is, let's say, for example, make a random structure right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here and make a random structure around over here, just like this. And this is what you have. So let's just go ahead and pull this out. So now what you can actually do right here is go ahead and let me just go around over here onto the selection tool. You can click and drag to view this out. So now let's say I want to zoom this in right here. In that case, you can see that zoom tool is an option. So if I were to go to zoom right here, then I can go ahead and click and drag to actually zoom right here, just like this. But once you go ahead and zoom in using the zoom tool, what actually happens is that it zooms right on the center right here. So you can see that this is what you can do. So you can zoom it to perfectly fit right here, or you can utilize the zoom tool right here to zoom into a certain location. So what you can also do is zoom using the scroll mouse button. So to do that, I can go around and point, let's say, for example, my cursor over here, and then utilize the scroll mouse button to zoom onto that area. If I were to go around over here, then it'll zoom onto this area. So you want to go ahead and focus on one particular area and zoom in. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and utilize the scroll mouse button method. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the zoom option inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.